It's crept through. Wide of the crease, or a little bit wider of the crease.
This has got to be very close.
Little clip down the hill. I think it's quick enough, this outfield for.
Full half volley that Hafiz just pushes gently through the covers for 4. Taken by Bairstow. The first wicket for England. It was a fine effort.
Follow up with the full delivery. It was on middle stump, but it's been beautifully worked away for 4. In the air. Should be taken by Bairstow. He gets round. Is taken by Bairstow. So Woakes has 2. Driven away in the over. 63 for 2.
Very good. Very good from Yunus Khan. Waiting, and then into position.
Well, that's got to be very, very close. I think it is, and it's given. Now, will they review it? This could be his first Test wicket.
So Kumar ball tracking come up. Its impact is in line and hitting the wickets, umpire's call. So you'll stay with your decision. And
That's a good shot. Misbah just hanging back there. Just a punch through the offside.
It's a lovely shot through, covered with it before.
Out. Straight to Mainali at mid-wicket, clipped away but not timed. Nice, comfortable height. And so the reintroduction of Stuart Broad brings England their 4th wicket.
Calmly plays that one away for a couple of runs. Gets to his 50. Misbah Haq appearing for the first time at Lord's and has played a very fine innings and a very good hand under pressure, scoring a 50.
Into play, but he goes short and wide. Doesn't come out right, then you get hammered.
Yeah, that will always be punished on this surface. Brings up his half century. The reverse again. And again it's downhill. Stuart Broad is trying his best, but he has no chance.
You can't keep a good Oldham down. Misbah goes through to his 10th Test match century, 42 years young.
Remarkable man.
There you go. There you go. Last ball of the day. I suppose the night watchman can say he's done his job. So at the end of the day, wicket made. Stokes picks up his 4th wicket. 4 for 45.
Putting the pressure on the bowlers. But once too often, a short ball that really deserves some treatment. He's cut it straight. Bowled in. What a beautiful piece of bowling that is from Chris Woakes. The outswinger first ball to Wahab, and then the full in-swinger.
Oh, yes. Nick backer down the slope. Edged. And has it been taken? Yes, good catch. Going away to his left.
With his first ball in Test cricket after a gap of 6 years. And Cook is off the mark. Good shot running. It's and taken. That's a wonderful bowling from Rahat Ali. You've got to give him a lot of credit. Beautifully done. Lovely shot, good use of the wrist, and pretty classical from the left-hander.
That will go for 4. And then the usual story. Goes for 4.
Up and over. Very good, Joe Root.
Lovely shot. Give those cook all day long. Again, short and wide and smashed to the fence by Alistair Cook. It's his 10th boundary today and it takes him to 50.
That's gone straight up. Someone has to catch it though, will they? Yes, it's taken. That's 4. Wide but very full.
That is his shot.
Oh, closes it. And given, yes. Hit him on the back foot. Look close.
To Hawk, got to ball tracking. Pitched in line. Impact is in line, and it is hitting the wickets. Kumar, it's hitting the wickets, so you'll stay with your decision. Just you're on screen now, mate. Yep, well done.
Oh, yes, good appeal and given. Beautifully bowled. It wasn't a quicker delivery, just enough on it to spin it back into the left-hander. Hit him, I think, on the back leg.
Dragged down. First one he's really dragged down. And Bairstow's in such good nick, he's not going to miss out. Bowled, inside edge. Amir has his first wicket on return.
There's balls in with a beautiful delivery. It's quicker. And
Caress to the boundary from Wout.
yeah, and given by the umpire. That's his 5th. Yasir Shah had to wait for a very long time, but he got the decision in his favour. Are they going?
Thank you. Ball tracking is impact is umpire's call, and hitting the wickets, umpire's call. So you'll be staying with your decision, Joel. You're on screen now. It's out.
Lovely shot. Great shot. That's the problem with Broad. If you bowl length, he will smash you away. First boundary, day 3. And again. The bumper Yorker.
And given. He was looking for 2. He wants a strike. Oh, this could be close. That's going to be very close. I think they'll call for the television replay, but I doubt he's in.
No, if he's going to get him, needed the big dive, I'm afraid.
Should be caught, and his first wicket down. Well played. Just a bit fuller, a bit straighter.
Yeah, he tried the instrument.
That's a nice shot. That's a beautiful shot. So well timed on the pads and easily done.
Oh, Nick, and gone. Cook, good catch, slow down. Chris Woke strikes in the first over after lunch. Exactly what England needed.
There we go.
Oh, he's given him. Took a long, long time. I think they've nearly run 2. So Kumar, we've got ball tracking. Its impact is in line, and it's clipping the wickets. It's umpire's call, so you'll be staying with your decision. You're on camera now, Kumar.
Catch!
Oh, hunt it to the deep. Fielder out there. Oh, and gone. What has he done? What has he done?
Unbelievable.
He just reaches it. He was feeling for it. He was in no position to play the shot, really. We talked about how Yunus is just battling out there. Shot.
It's a good shot. Got as close as he possibly could to the pitch without having to keep it down. Straight down the ground. Always safe in that direction. Hold them. Inside edge onto the stumps.
Short ball put away. Shafiq.
Oh, bowled him. What a delivery that was.
And what a good delivery. He goes wide on the crease here, Chris Wokes. Just...
Oh, it's just gone down.
Oh, that flew through the slip cover and some lucky runs there. Will it go all the way? Yes. Oh.
Yep.
And gone. 10 in the match for Chris Wokes. Another twist, another turn in this game. Pakistan have got 275 to the good, but they're 7 down. Is that off the glove or off the arm? Off the glove.
To the 6th ball of the morning, without any runs added, Yasir Shah gloved the broad bouncer to Bairstow, and Pakistan were 9 down for 214. Yasir out for 30. Wokes bowled the 2nd over of the day, and off the 3rd ball, Muhammad Amir tucked it off his legs for a single. Pakistan now 215 for 9 and 282 ahead. Well, Rahat survived the next 3 balls, and it was back over to Broad, who with his 7th ball of the day got Amir to nick. Bairstow did the rest, and Pakistan were 215 all out.
Here is Muhammad Amir. Runs immediately. Short and gets put away. Very wide. Punished. 4 more. Scoring as quickly as they did in the first innings, England. 3 overs, 19 without loss. That's the line. And given.
Up in the air and straight to him. Straight to him, just a couple of yards to his right. Rad Ali strikes for the 3rd time. And Yasir Shah is the man taking the catch.
And get down here because that'll be 4. That's short, a bit too wide. And there's not much margin for error when Yasir Shah is bowling at this end, but when he comes down this end, the media end, you'll get more spin. Another short one, and Vince has got that again. Well, not very well directed. And Vince just helps on its way. Wide width, and that'll be 4 more. James Vince jumps all over that one. Good shot. It's another boundary for Vince. Bit too straight. A good shot from Gary Balance. Timed it well too. That'll be 4.
There's another. 2nd attempt. Perfect start to this afternoon session for Pakistan. That's a good shot, good hit. He had to adjust that ball, squatted a little, and the left-hander was on top of it. Good thing about balance is that he's put the bad ones away also. Oh, bowl him round his stumps. Magic from Yasir. I think that probably pitched in the rough area and spun a mile, and balance just lost the plot in the end. Where he was in relation to the spin, he's thoroughly disappointed after fighting it out so well. And he's gone. That's an awful shot. That really is pedestrian from Moeen Ali. Aimless. And that has got Pakistan thinking about a big win today and tonight. Yeah.
Nicely driven. There is a sweeper, but that's been well timed. A very fine boundary to Bairstow. Oh, bowled him! Johnny Bairstow can't believe it. He's played round a straight one. He's distraught.